We are going to do just a comparison group between the Winchester Deer Season XPs and the Remington UMC 300 Blackout. The Winchester's 150 grain Blackouts. The Remington is 120 grain. Shooting, we're out at the neighborhood of around 90-100 yards. Just going to do two groups. Going to see how well they hold together. Now, I know everybody shoots different and everything else, but everything's pretty much the same. Got the same wobbly shooting rest, same rifle, same shooter, same distance, everything else. So, I mean, all the variables are going to be the same. So, yeah, somebody might be able to get them tighter than I do. But it should give you an idea. Just say if the Winchesters hold a tighter group than the Remingtons, then you should be able to get the same, a tighter group with the Winchesters as well, or vice versa. This is definitely, I am wobbling all over the place, so that is nasty, but here we go. And there we are. Let's go take a look. Oh, by the way, I almost forgot. Smoky Oak, makers of fine products. Smoky Oak right here. Smoky Oak air plugs. Good enough for just about all your shooting situations. Smoky Oak. Order yours today. I would definitely call the Remington, the wind, assuming I had a double tap up here, there's only 1, 2, 3. I have to review the video, but that is all 4 shots. That is my pinky. Let me see if I got something in my pocket to give reference on. Got a memory card. Got a memory card. And there we go. All within a memory card. The Remington UMC. Right there. Oops. Now, they are within the top. They're basically all touching the memory card. So there we go. To be honest, I thought the Winchester XP were going to do a little bit. Thought those were going to be better, but guess not. And there you are. Too shabby on the Remington.